Looking for a coffee maker that's as cute as it is functional? Check out this pink Paris Hilton Stovetop Espresso pot. This coffee maker is designed for Italian and Cuban style espresso and makes up to 6 small espresso cups. The pink color really stands out. And the heart-shaped knob on the lid adds a fun, stylish touch that's easy to grip. It has a classic stovetop design and feels solid in your hand. The handle stays comfortable, and the lid opens smoothly for filling and cleaning. Using it is simple, just add water, your favorite coffee grounds, place it on the stove, and in a few minutes your kitchen fills with the rich aroma of fresh espresso. The espresso comes out warm and flavorful, perfect for a morning boost or an afternoon treat. Cleanup is easy, and it's compact enough to store without taking up much space. This coffee maker is a cute and functional addition to your kitchen that makes every coffee moment a little more special.
Like it was fandom, and you're talking kids in their minds. They were having so much fucking fun.
That's that me espresso. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's a full.
Take it out.
It's still going. You think it's done?
Yeah.
You don't think there's more?
It bubbled out, yeah.
There's a little part. It is so stinking cute. Oh my god. Los limones que encontramos en